Good day. Today we'll give you different tips that you'll need to know when purchasing LED kits. First thing we suggest is that you do a bit of research to find out how long these products have been around. This will give you a bit of understanding as to how long they have been doing business, and it will give you more confidence when purchasing this product. What we also strongly suggest is that you read about reviews of previous experiences from other customers using these products. That will give you an idea as to what you are really purchasing. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Find out from the suppliers if they offer any form of warranty. Say for instance you buy the product and it failed within a month or within days, you would like to know if there are any form of warranty in terms of replacing the item. This is very important for you to know when purchasing an LED kit. You have to find out what's the input voltage, because cars use 12 volts, trucks and other buses use 24 volts, and you don't want to make the mistake purchasing a 12 volt light for a 24 volt system. When purchasing LED kits, ensure that you're buying the one that is corresponding to the one that you're replacing. For example, if it is that you're buying a H4, it should be H4, because you cannot mix H4 with H3. So ensure that the code is the same as the one that your vehicle uses. Also ensure that the lighting output beam pattern matches the original bulbs. You don't want to be having an H4 low beam which is giving you an high beam effect. Ensure that the quality is up to par, and ask them to send you different images of the light in action. Always remember, whenever you're buying any form of product, do your research, take the time to read reviews, look at different images, videos and much more to ensure that you are completely comfortable with whichever product that you are buying, because you don't want it to be a case where you spend your money and doesn't get your money's worth.